This is a very important time of year for me. This is the time when I ritualistically reattune myself back to the cycles of nature. And in this case, I'm hunting for mushrooms. And when I was a farmer, that time period would be January, February. But right now, what I am doing is tuning into the intricacies of how nature is behaving, considering the weather and the timing of the season, to allow me to harvest food and medicine at the exact right time. And so today I'm at one of my favorite pheasant back spots, and I am hunting for the small ones. And in a couple of days they'll be big and not really what I'm looking for. So today is the day. Nature decides, not me. Okay, these are perfect size. There's these ones and these ones. You can see they're small. That's what we want. You see, now this one's too big. It would just be too tough. Maybe you could eat the edge, right? But probably not. So it would be good for soup stocks, but that's not my goal for today. I'm looking for the small ones. There's a couple of little ones growing, but I'm not gonna take those because they're too small. So we want something in between those sizes. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's the perfect size right there. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, there's one. Perfect size. When hunting for the small pheasant backs this time of the season, you want to go and thoroughly check all the logs, because the small ones are so small that you might just miss them if you don't get up real close. Okay, so this one is like right on that line of like, is it good for nuggies or soup? It's pretty tough at the base. What I usually do is I'll cut it and see how well it cuts, and that's pretty soft at the edge, which means that this is a good one to take. You see the size? I've only been hunting for an hour, and I was able to find quite a few, plus one half morel. And so I'm just gonna stop because I know there's more, but I have enough for my meal for tonight, and I don't need to take any more. I'm gonna walk a little bit, but if I see any, I'll leave them.